Meaning of discontinue.
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 Discontinue. The word discontinue means to stop doing or using something permanently or temporarily. It implies a deliberate and intentional decision to end the action or use of something. Discontinuing something can result in various outcomes depending on the context. For instance, discontinuing a medication may lead to the worsening or recurrence of a medical condition. Discontinuing a product may cause a decline in sales and loss of revenue for a company. Discontinuing a habit may lead to personal growth and development. Ultimately, the result of discontinuing something depends on the circumstances surrounding the decision.